Yesterday's arrival at this beautiful mountain resort was nothing short of relaxing, not to mention sleeping in this luxurious dome-shaped tent, which gave glamping a whole new definition for us. But today, we're turning off the relaxation mode and planning on conquering the highest point of Cebu.
What's happening, guys? You're watching Mom Duty. Join us as we travel around the world. And not only are we getting lost in the clouds today, but we're also adding in a few more stops.
Alright guys, this is our trolley that we are taking. And this is Wing Wing! Say hi to Wing Wing!
Hi, Wing Wing!
Bye-bye!
This is so convenient. Our dome is right behind us. The trolley is here. We walk a few steps and we're already in our ride to go. It's amazing. Yay!
Doot doot! So this is pretty cool. To rent this trolley out, it's about 1,500 pesos, which is about $30. You get to have it for a half of a day, and we are taking this to 4 stops.
We've got Osmena Peak, the Flower Garden, Lugsangan Peak, also known as Casino Peak, and lastly the Patins Bistro, which is the cafe to end the tour.
But our first stop is at the Flower Garden.
All right, let's go.
Bye-bye, Wing Wing.
Wow, it's infinite.
Hello.
No, and you look into mine, and then you see mine.
There's a little goatee right here. I call him Flower Power. He's right there. And they're doing that thing.
Hey guys, so really quickly, the legend of Mantalongon, which is the flower garden itself, it derives from the native word meaning manta, which means big, and talongon, which means tree. So big tree.
Big tree.
That's where it comes from. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, a couple rules before going in. There's no picking of flowers, no playing and gambling allowed. I like those rules. Ah! These are real flowers, by the way.
Okay. It's like a little tunnel.
Sounds like a little tunnel. Pretty cool.
It's the only time you're tall, Dada. It's the only time you're tall in there.
Wow. Got our bag on deck. The sun is coming out right now. We're seeing some blue skies.
It is so hot. It was so cold in the morning. I want it to be cold again. Hello, doggy. Looks like a Target dog, but not red. Super cute. Hi, doggy.
So apart from the beautiful beaches and cultural heritage and the food scene, Cebu has also grown its attractions for flower gardens. And I must say, flower farm gardens in Cebu should not be missed. And it only costs 50 pesos per person to enter, which is less than $4 for a family of 4. Now this one in particular is a beautiful flower garden on Mount Talangon, and it's referred to as the Sunflower Garden or the I Love Dalaguete Flower Farm in Dalaguete, Cebu. And some of the sunflowers are so tall, they're actually taller than me, and they're all arranged in a row. Sunflowers are my favorite because they just remind me of like happy thoughts. Plus, isn't yellow a beautiful color?
Right here. Can you see, guys?
So bright and beautiful.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you an OOTD of my outfit. So the leggings or the pants I'm wearing are these cute leggings. They are hiking leggings, very soft workout leggings. Then I'm wearing this cute top, as you can see. And then I'm wearing this cute little waterproof bag. Okay, so we're heading back to the van. And we're going, where are we going, Mama?
I think we're gonna go to Casino Peak.
Casino Peak. We're not going to an actual casino.
So,
Okay, so we are heading to not Casino Peak right now because it's a little bit too far. We will, but we first need to go to Osmena Peak right now.
so that was a great start to our trolley tour. That flower garden was gorgeous. Now we are headed to Osmena Peak to do our hike, and then afterwards we'll have 2 more stops. What a gorgeous drive, guys. Lush greenery everywhere, surrounded by these mountain peaks. I love these granite-like cliffs. I'm already slipping. All right, we have made it to Osmena Peak. Ready to get this climb on. Now, what I am happy about, well, actually really happy about, is that we see blue skies. Few clouds, but they don't look like rain clouds, so I think we're safe, because yesterday when we arrived, it started to rain pretty hard. So crossing our fingers that there's no rain. I'm already breathing hard.
We haven't even started the hike yet.
This is the start of the hike. Oh, you're tired also? I thought it was just me.
No, I'm not tired.
Dang, I'm out of shape.
Okay, we have our environmental fee. It's 50 pesos each. So you're four. It's 200 pesos. Then you can pay later to your guide. The
Thank
guide
you.
fee is 100 pesos.
Ano bang pangalan?
Arita po, sir.
Arita, like Arita Franklin.
Nice to meet you.
R-E-S-P-E-C-T. And the hike begins.
Dude, she's wearing chanelas and we're all wearing tennis shoes. And I'm like struggling up the hill. And she's just like casually just walking up.
R-E-S-P-E-C-T.
It's awesome.
1.2 kilometers from the registration up to the top.
Not bad.
So this hike is pretty short, 15 to 20 minutes. It's just steep and rocky.
So not too bad. And you got these natural steps.
Wow, you go, girl.
I'm tired. How are you, Alex? I'm good. Yeah, I'm fine. I drink water.
The halfway, ma'am.
This is halfway? Yeah. She just said it was halfway.
Okay, so one thing to talk about is that the trolley tour goes twice a day, 6 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon. We picked 1 in the afternoon because we thought the sky would be clear, not too foggy. So it is a little warm as we're hiking, so I highly recommend bringing like a hat. There aren't too many patches of shade.
It feels good. Because it's pretty hot, but it has a very cold breeze to it. So it feels a little bit better, but it's still really hot.
I'm sweating, but actually it feels good. You got the clouds going in and out, so it gives you a little bit of shade like right now. But it's definitely an easy hike.
I feel like the rocks are almost like steps. You don't need too much traction on your hiking shoes.
I just got a cold pack. If you don't know what cold packs are, they look like this. You could bring it anywhere. It stays cold, I think for about 8 hours. I just popped one on my back. It feels like... Okay, so we are almost there. It just needs like a couple more minutes. It's right there.
The mountain breeze is amazing.
We're almost there. I think like 2 more minutes. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Cold air. This is how it looks right now. It's beautiful.
We made it to the top of Osmena Peak! Yeah! I'm so happy. It feels way better up here. The breeze is just really cooling you down. Up the peak was a little bit hot, but feels incredible up here. Look at this view.
We have made it to the top. Yes. Yes.
Ah.
Did you get a lot of good shots with your GoPro?
Yeah.
What kind of shots did you get?
I got B-roll. I got the B-roll everywhere. And it's not just a normal GoPro. See, it's called the recorder of death. You know why? It's because when I unseat it.
Wow, guys, what a stunning landscape. You got this rolling, jagged hills from here all the way to there, and I believe that's Moabo all over there. So it's kind of cloudy. You can really get lost in the clouds here. You got another body of sea on that end. Absolutely gorgeous.
Okay, let me take this all in and appreciate this moment.
You don't know how much I need you, 'cause you're my home away from home, away from home.
wonderful to experience the beauty of Cebu. The views from up here are just absolutely breathtaking.
Time to go back down, guys. What a great peak that was. That was absolutely amazing. Fun fact, guys, the first person to reach that peak is Osmena, who was past president here in the Philippines. So that's why they call it Osmena Peak.
Why do you guys have your hands behind your back? What kind of challenge is it?
You cannot use any of your hands.
Took about 20 minutes to get up there, and then probably 15 minutes to get down, 10 to 15 minutes. So definitely a beginner's type of hike. A little bit difficult to climb down because there's so many rocks. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's dotted by just a bunch of flowers, greenery.
It actually feels so much nicer coming down. Although you gotta watch your step because of the steep hills and all the rocks as I trip and fall. Are you guys almost done with your challenge?
Yeah, we gotta make it to the house.
Something to point out is that we got blessed by good weather, just the right weather.
And we could see the coastline of Cebu,
Exactly.
which is incredible.
Yeah, we are here. Now on to the next stop, guys. Salamat, Rita. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Oh, no, it's good. Thank you. Yeah, RESPECT. Wing, our driver is probably like, why do they take so long? You know how vloggers do it. We take our time. I believe our next stop is that peak right there. I can see the Filipino flag right there.
My legs are still shaking from Osmena Peak, but it looks like a straightforward hike up. Pretty steep. Oh my gosh. Okay, what do you guys think about hiking that?
Just really steep. And we're tired. And we're hungry. So yeah.
Hungry.
We're not gonna climb that. Yes.
No climbing Casino Peak?
No, thank you.
That's why it's a
We
gamble.
look, we
It's a gamble.
it's a gamble. Yeah, it's a gamble. It's a gamble.
I don't think we're gonna be hiking that today. So Nelvin's just gonna fly his drone and get some epic shots of it.
I forgot my spare battery. So I got like probably a one quick ascending flight. See what we get. Okay guys, I didn't know how we were gonna climb this, but look at that flag right there. It's like a steep, almost like a vertical climb. That's a tough one. We need hiking shoes for that.
So our driver was just telling us that it takes about 20 minutes to hike up here, even though it looks like it would take a lot longer, because there's a different way you can hike up the back. So not the other side, but the other side that's shorter. Still looks really steep from the bottom. And by the way, we've been seeing a lot of people carrying cabbage. It's for kimchi. It's Chinese cabbage. That makes a lot more sense now because I have seen so much cabbage around.
Cabbage.
That sounds good. Now it's making me hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry for cabbages. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so that peak used to be called Lungsangan Peak and it changed to Casino Peak. I'm wondering why it changed to that. There's no casino.
Is there a casino up there?
I didn't see one. I saw a flag.
It's a hidden casino.
Maybe.
Wow, whoa. I am so in awe of the greenery and everything surrounding this place.
We have made it to our final destination. Woohoo!
Hey, Rocio, can I get this right here? I like my coffee how I like myself. Dark, bitter, and too hot for you. Bam!
So I do not have an ex, but this is just funny and a good something to tell yourself if you do have an ex. The only ex I'm missing is extra money.
Oh! Drop the mic.
No need to block you. I want to see what you lost. What did you lose, buddy?
You lost me. Don't be busy. Be productive.
Okay, I hate
that. That's actually true. That's actually true.
I hate math, but I like counting money. Drop the mic.
Oh my goodness.
This is our last stop of our trolley tour. Such a cute little cafe, guys. We're just gonna have a late lunch here and then enjoy the rest of our stay at 150 Peakway Resort. If you wanna know more about our stay at this mountain resort, make sure to click here. And if you wanna watch the start of our Cebu adventure, click over here.